Craving the ultimate cozy, creamy comfort food? Today on CMT Kitchen, we're making rich, delicious chicken sopas packed with veggies, chicken, and milk. Let's get cooking. Before we cook, let's prep our ingredients. In a large pot over medium heat, add a splash of cooking oil and melt a tablespoon of butter. This gives our broth an extra rich base. Add your minced garlic and onions, sautéing until fragrant and translucent. Toss in your pre-boiled shredded chicken flakes and mix well so the chicken absorbs all those rich buttery flavors. Next, pour in your elbow macaroni and give it a quick stir. Pour in 2 liters of water or chicken broth if you have it. Season with salt and ground black pepper to taste. Cover the pot with a lid and let it simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until the pasta becomes soft and tender. And drop in your chicken broth cubes for that deep, rich, savory flavor. Once the pasta is cooked, drop in your sliced hot dogs. Now, for the best part, pour in 1 can of evaporated milk. Stir well to turn the broth rich and creamy. Cover and let it simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes to bring everything back to a light boil. Add your chopped carrots and cabbage last so they stay crisp and fresh. Mix well and let it simmer for just 1 to 2 minutes until the vegetables are cooked through. If you like an extra pop of savory flavor, sprinkle in a pinch of seasoning granules. Turn off the heat. Our creamy sopas is ready. Ladle a generous portion into a bowl and top it off with sliced boiled eggs for that complete Filipino comfort meal. If you love this recipe, please like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe to CMT Kitchen for more easy, budget-friendly, and mouth-watering dishes. Thanks for watching and see you in the next recipe. Happy cooking!